In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to Insightly CRM via Zapier, an easy and efficient way to automate your lead management process. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Zapier. Zapier is a powerful integration tool that connects your apps and automates workflows, helping you save time and streamline your processes. Once you're on the Zapier website, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and straightforward. After logging in, your next step is to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps to automate repetitive tasks. Here, you'll configure this workflow to capture leads from Facebook and send them directly to Insightly CRM. In Zapier, the first thing you'll set up is the trigger. For this integration, choose Facebook Lead Ads as your trigger app. The trigger is an event in one app that kicks off your Zap. In this case, it will be when a new lead is generated through your Facebook lead ad. Next, you'll need to choose the trigger event. Select the Facebook page and lead ad form that you want to monitor for new leads. It's important that you select the exact form and page where you expect your leads to come from. After configuring your trigger, let's move on to setting up the action. What happens once a lead is captured? In this step, you'll choose Insightly CRM as the app for your action. This means that every time a new lead comes through your Facebook ad, Insightly CRM will be updated automatically. Select the specific action you'd like Insightly to perform. Common actions include create a new lead or create a new contact. Ensure you're logged into your Insightly account to complete this step. Now, it's time to map the fields from your Facebook lead ad form to the corresponding fields in Insightly CRM. Essentially, you're connecting the data so that information flows seamlessly from Facebook to your CRM. For example, the name field on your Facebook form should map to the name field in Insightly, and similarly, ensure the email field is correctly linked. Before going live, send a test lead from your Facebook lead ad form to verify that the integration is working as expected. This step ensures there are no surprises and everything functions smoothly. Once you've confirmed that everything is running correctly, activate the automation. By doing this, you ensure that all future leads from Facebook are automatically sent into your Insightly CRM, freeing you from manual data entry and allowing you to focus on what truly matters, engaging with your leads and growing your business. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Facebook leads to Insightly CRM using Zapier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this automation helps you manage your leads more efficiently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your business processes.